This is Meyers Manx. This is the first of a series of videos showing a Manx Dune Buggy build. This is my next project. As you can see, I tore it down to nothing. Removed the old floor pans. Put new ones in. Sanded, cleaned, and painted the entire assembly. A lot of work, but well worth it. This Manx was built on a 1967 Beetle frame chassis. It has a swing axle rear and a ball joint front end. That's the way 67s were. As you can see, the floor pans came out real nice. This console, if you're looking to get one, it's a part number 25-1108 or 25-1109. When you put this console in, you have to take your brake pedal assembly and move the brake pedal a little bit further to the left so your foot has room between the console and the brake pedal to hit the gas pedal. I'll show you about that later. Here's some pictures to look at. This is Meyers Manx. Later.